Hello everyone, Thomas Turner here, known as TMT Designs at tmtdesigns.net, and today I'm going to be showing you basic animations in Photoshop CC. I believe this works from Photoshop CS5 and up. So first of all, I'm going to tell you what we're going to accomplish in the end. In the end, we will have an animation which we can save as GIF and use in a website or for personal use of your choice. Today I'm just going to be editing an image, but you can do advertisements and banners and etc. whatever you want. Okay, so first things first, go up to the right hand icon, down arrow, click on motion, and this will pop up. This timeline at the bottom. Okay, so first of all, create a new layer, and I'll click create video timeline. As we see here, there are some layers. Today we are not going to be using this functionality down here. This is a bit more on the advanced side, where you can add sound and time the animations in a different way. Today we're going to be just using the simple animation tool, which just breaks it down into a much more simpler form. Okay, so like if we wanted this image to stay here for 2 seconds, we'll just leave it like that, or forever, 3 times as much as we want for the animation. We can create a new layer. So let's say on the new layer, make sure once you've created a new layer, make sure it's selected. So now let's say on the new layer, we want it to change to red. So now we can just change it to red. And I will create a new layer after. So now it's changing from blue to red on the second layer. And now on the third layer, I'm going to make it smaller. And position it in the center. If I can find it. There we go. So then on the third layer is being positioned smaller. It has done this on the third layer because I have slightly messed up. I had the second layer selected as well. Okay, so now we've got both of them. So now you make sure the layer is selected. Do a nice Control C, bring it down, position, click enter. I'll make it a bit more smaller so we can notice the difference easier. Okay, so it has done it for all. I believe that it has done this because it is an object and you cannot edit the object. But if we wanted to make it smaller, we'll just create a new layer, Control J for duplication, and then now we've got the third layer selected, we will just hide that layer and we can make this one smaller. So now in essence it looks like, let's unselect that. So now in essence it looks, wow, it just changed color. It just changed color and we have it selected on the third layer. This is for 0.2 seconds. I'm going to make it 2 seconds. And now if we wanted, let's say on the last one, we could add some text and do the same thing to that. We'll just add text. Let's call it world or earth icon, yeah, icon. Okay. It has done it on every single layer since it sees it is highlighted. Then we'll just have to go to the first layers and just unselect, and now we've got the third layer selected, and we can just click it, and there we go. So now let's say we are happy with this. Now I am just do this. Yep, so on the first layer it's blue, second layer it's red. It's gonna be smaller, and we've added some text. Okay, now let's say I finished my animation, and you can even do small movements and stuff like that. But yeah, let's say I've completely finished and I like how it is looking. I'm just gonna put 1 second. Just for tutorial purposes. I'm just selecting all of them with control and then I clicking for 1 second, so it changes all of them to 1 second. Okay, so now you have done this, you should go as export, and then we're going to export as a GIF, so we're going to go save a web. And now here you can choose what file size, how many pixels you want, what size. I'm just going to click the GIF 128 different, and then GIF. Obviously you can, yep. So, yep, and now I'm just going to click save on the desktop. Call it, yep, call it whatever you want. Okay, so now if I open it, now it is open, as you can see. So we've got a simple animation which changes every 1 second, and literally you can modify the icon as much as you want. But anyway guys, it's only a short tutorial today. Please comment, like, subscribe, comment what you want in the description. Thanks for watching and peace out.